Say. Where's Pat, Gabriel, and Farmer Cam? Oh, what's that? I can't hear you.
They're on the engine.
They are? Do you think sometimes Pat, Gabriel, and Farmer Cam being on three guys being on the engine sometimes?
Yeah.
How's Jesse doing, as well as Neil?
Good.
Oh, that's good. Who works on afternoon shifts sometimes?
Everyone.
Neil and Jesse? Does Jesse and Neil works on afternoon shifts sometimes?
Yeah.
Not very often.
No.
I think do you think sometimes they don't actually bring by the tank cars, just only the engine sometimes.
Yeah.
But it's part of our job, right? Who wears a loose fishing hat and who has an RPK hockey hat?
Pan Cam.
Oh, that's good, but how's Neil doing?
Good.
How come it's raining just a little bit?
I don't know.
Sebastian, can you please tell me how come there's no crossing signals there, and as well as the crossing gate barriers? There's Oh! Who's on the radio chatter? Oh. Say, you live in St. Catharines near Hamilton, right?
Yep.
Does Joe works at Clarkson Yard?
Sometimes.
Oh, I haven't talked to Joe. Sebastian, I haven't talked to Joe. Plus, he works on days. Does Joe works on days with Gabriel and Neil?
Sometimes.
Okay, Sebastian, when Neil's driving the 3003 on day shift, does Neil drive the 3003 on day shift with Gabriel and Joe?
Sometimes.
Oh. Yeah, sometimes, but I don't know. So, how's Joe doing?
Good.
How's Neil and Joe?